The really interesting question is, where are we on that point right now in the UK? And certainly what's interesting about that point from the OBR is it feels like capital gains rates are now sufficiently high that the tax take is dropping. Question is, where does that get to with income tax? The government have said they're not going to change income tax rates, but I doubt that might stay given where we are. And of course, the other place that it's really going to be illustrative at the moment is getting rid of the non-dom thing. It's all very well going on about the politics of it and the fact that rich people should pay more tax. The problem is rich people leave, they don't pay more tax. And so the more you, again, that's slightly different from just tax rates because you're changing the way the scheme works, but it's the same point that you can't just keep trying to soak people and expect them just to take it. So it's going to be really interesting over the course of the next couple of years to see what the government does around trying to increase the tax take, because it feels like there's not a lot of places they can go to. It's going to have to be growth, but then if you're going to increase employee rights, if you're going to make it more expensive to employ people with national insurance increases, it's exactly the same thing. We're a small business. We think long and hard every time we think about hiring someone because it is just that much more expensive. And if the government don't really realize that and they don't do something about it, it feels like they might run into the buffers pretty quick.